What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Danny is not feeling good and I'm getting over a cold, but you know, money doesn't grow on trees, so we gotta make it. So I decided to take Asher to the flea market today. He's never been to the outside part, so we're gonna go look for some deals, see what we can find, and hopefully make some money, right? All right, let's go. Look down. Wave. Go like this. What'd you find? A robot. So Asher found a toy tent and he won't let me go anywhere else. So I might have to sucker up and buy him a transformer robot here so we can keep moving, but he's a sucker for the robots, man. Let's see if we can get a good deal on one though. Picky, picky, picky. Going under. Some pretty cool stuff back here. See anything you like? Okay, so this is the robot you want?
Damn.
Okay, here's your dollar. You gotta go pay her for the robot. Give her the dollar.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Show me. Whoa, that is a cool robot. It's like a bulldozer and a robot. They want $55 for the 3 phones. Should we give them $55? I don't think so. The place is loaded with cameras. Behind me, all vintage cameras. Look at all this. There's so many. So many record players and cameras, but he's asking a lot of money. That's a problem. Doggy. Hi, buddy. All right, so we're heading out from the flea market. We were there for a couple hours. I managed to get this sweet deal on these Nike SB Classics right here. Brand new, never used. Paid 15 bucks for them, and they're going anywhere for $50 to $65 on eBay. Sold, so that's pretty sweet. Brand new, never used. I got this old school vintage ping pong paddle right here for $1. And vintage ping pong paddles, when you type it in, 20 bucks on eBay sometimes for these vintage ones. So I'm hoping that I can find what brand name this is right here and look this up. 2 more things that I got here for the day. I got this old school 1970s racing airplane book for Asher, but it's pretty cool. I basically got it for free because I got the ping pong paddle and what I believe is the deal of the day, which was this vintage little coin bank right here. The guy wanted 5 bucks for it. I gave him 4 and he took it. And there's actually some money in it, so that's pretty cool. But I don't even know how to open this thing, so I might have to wait till I get home. Alright, so on the way home we found this little thrift and gift store, so we're gonna go inside and take a look and see if we can find anything to sell. So we just got to this thrift store and they're actually not even open on Sundays. But the lady that owns the business was here watering her flowers. So she said she's gonna turn on the lights and let us in. So here's to finding something good. Yeah. Selfie stick, $2. Can't beat that. There were 15 at the flea market. I almost bought one. But I knew I'd get a better deal. Just look at me now. Asher, look up.
Well, thank you. Let me get your change, okay?
You bought it. Okay, she's gonna give you the money.
And here's your change.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now where's your stick? Where is it?
Where's your selfie stick at?
Oh, I think we put it right here.
There it is.
Okay, alright, let's get it. I hope you had fun coming along with us. Leave a like, comment on the bottom, and hit that subscribe button if you like the content. For now, signing off. Say bye, Asher. Peace, money!